Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Today I have a detailing video for you. We're going to clean the wheels and tires on my 2020 Supra. They are horribly dirty, coated with brake dust and grime. It's been through the rain this week. So I've been having an issue finding a good wheel brush for years now. They're either too hard, too soft, too wide, too narrow. I have this one. It's pretty good, but it actually comes apart. You could see at the top there, it just falls apart, and not good quality, and they're expensive too. This one I just picked up on Amazon, not sponsored. It is a microfiber. It's called WoollyWormit. So I don't know how it'll do. We're going to try it out. There is tight spacing on the calipers, the Brembo calipers on the Supra. So we'll see if it fits. It's a little bit on the wider side, but I do like that it has the microfiber hairs and it is conformable. Also, the other end, you can put this lug nut sponge on to clean the lug nuts. So we'll give that a try as well. Let's give it a shot. Now I made up a bucket of this general car wash soap and just gonna soak the brush in there along with the foam end for the lug nut sponge. And the first step is gonna be spray off those wheels with some good old-fashioned water. Look at all that brake dust coming off already. Now, I've been using this wheel cleaner for years. I mean years, pretty much since I've owned a car. Eagle One all-wheel tire and wheel cleaner. I like it because it does a great job on both the tire and the wheel. I'm sure you guys have your favorites and you can use your favorite. Be sure to get the tire along with the wheel. Also use a rather soft bristle brush for the tire and face of the wheel. See, it's turning brown from all that brake dust. This brush is soft enough where it won't scratch the wheels. That's what the thing is. You got to find a brush that's not too hard, and a lot of these wheel cleaning brushes are too stiff. Let's try the WoollyWormit now. Boy, it's really soaked. I did put the end on with the lug nut sponge, just this plastic piece, and you soak the sponge and place this on. So, but there's no real good handle, so that's one thing. We'll see how it is to handle. And biggest test is to see if it fits in between the brake calipers. Oh, let's see. Starting at the top, it is a tight fit. It is going, but it's a little bit on the tight side. I would rather it not be that tight, but you know what? I can't find anything. Guys, let me know if you have the ultimate wheel brush that's not like $50 and above. I'll put below the Amazon link, but I think it's crazy to spend any more than that on a brush. But it is firm enough that it looks like it's cleaning pretty well. Let's see about these lug nut cleaners. Yeah, that actually fits pretty nice. And I like to finish it off with a microfiber towel, an old one of course. Let's go all around on the tire and then try to get into the tightest spots and even behind the spokes. Now that WoollyWormit does bend. I didn't try that, but I kind of want to keep it straight. I don't want to keep bending it because it needs to be straight, especially for the Corvette. It has those very large, wide wheels in the back, so it has to reach. All right, let's give it a rinse and see the final results. Alright guys, I cleaned the other wheels, coming back to check on this one, and I think it does look pretty good, as you can see. But now I did notice I missed a spot here, And, you know, partially is because I was holding the camera and trying to clean at the same time. I was a little careless and quick. Overall, I think it did a pretty good job. I do wish it was a little bit thinner, that I could fit all the way back behind the caliper. I used the microfiber rag to get back there. But I thought the lug cleaning was very good, way better than I expected. That was real easy to use and worked nice. But anyway, guys, tell me what you think in the comments below. What do you use? Do you have any better suggestions for me? Again, I've been searching for a wheel brush for years and can't find one that's perfect. This one is pretty good. If it was a little bit thinner, it would be perfect, but otherwise it is pretty good. I will put the Amazon link below in the description. Also, you could check out my Amazon store for any of the other products that I use on my vehicles. So, alright guys, hope you enjoyed this detailing video. There are some other detailing videos on the channel if you want to check them out, and of course tons of other great content on the Supra, on the Corvette, and on the Jeep. So thanks for joining me in this one. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you in the next video.